Alright, so we have picked our strawberries and we have to rinse them off and get them all clean. So we're going to get a little bit of water. And we're just going to roll the strawberries around the water. Can you roll it? Roll it around, get all the dirt off. Can you help, James? There you go, James. There you go. Roll it around. Roll it around. Get all the dirt off. Good job. Okay, let's pour the dirty water into the sink. And now we get to eat our strawberry. Alright, there's yours. And there's yours. Go ahead and take a bite. Take a bite. This way. Eat the red part. Take a bite. You don't want to try it? You take a little bite? No? Is it good, James? Take a bite. You can do it. You want Mommy to eat one too? Look. That's delicious. Yeah, delicious. Yeah.